Hello, my name is Rosie Alvarado and I'm running for the 285th District Court here in Bexar County. I am confident that you will find that I have the requisite experience and the commitment to serve this community. The district courts are vitally important to the citizens of our state because they are the primary trial courts in Texas. The 285th District Court is a civil trial court that handles a diverse area of the law, including family law, personal injury, corporate law, suits to try title to land, and other civil disputes. Why is this particular court relevant to the young people of Bexar County? Well, I'll tell you why it's relevant to the young people. San Antonio is one of the top cities in the nation for teen pregnancy. And it is the top city in the nation for babies that are born to teens the second time. Why is that important in our court system? Well, it's important in our court system because those young mothers and those young fathers and their children could potentially end up in this particular court for child custody matters, termination matters, child support matters, a whole array of matters concerning family law. So that's one of the reasons why it's important for young people to be focused on this particular court. Another reason that it's important for young people to be focused on this particular court is because more and more young men and women are going to college and becoming educated. And as a result of that, they're going out, they're starting their own businesses, and potentially they could also be sued in the process of running their businesses. Some of those type of lawsuits could be breach of contract. They could be, injuries on the premises that they have at their businesses. They could be injured by a product that's developed by somebody a young person who's developed a product. Another area of the law that is relevant to young folks is personal injury. All of us drive, and young people drive, and if they're involved in an automobile accident that is resulting in a lawsuit, then they could potentially also end up in that particular court. So that's why the district courts, and not only the reason why, but that is one of a couple of the reasons why the district courts are very important to young folks. Now, since this court covers such a diverse area of the law, it's very important that you have a judge that has a strong legal background and trial experience. And as an attorney, I have successfully handled and prosecuted some very complex and serious cases involving personal injury, which covers automobile accidents, 18-wheeler accidents, as well as I've also handled a toxic chemical exposure case. Additionally, I've handled some very complex cases in federal civil court in the areas of ketone law, also known as whistleblower law. In the district courts, I've handled some family law cases, specific in helping families in divorce, child custody, termination of parental rights, and child support situations. I have represented small businesses and nonprofits in negotiating agreements, in collection cases, and as well as sale agreements and giving general legal advice. I'm familiar with the appellate court process. I have drafted and argued cases before the Fourth Court of Appeals and to the Texas Supreme Court. And also, my undergraduate studies are in biology and chemistry, so that gives me a very strong scientific and technical background. And it has made me attuned to handling and analyzing very complex issues. I believe that my experience has made me very well-rounded and uniquely qualified for this bench. I've been trying cases ever since I graduated law from St. Mary's University and Law School, and I've been in court ever since. And I am here today to respectfully ask for your vote on March 2nd, 2010. Please vote Rosie Alvarado for the 285th Judicial District Court. Thank you.